Hey guys, I'm Nina. I've got Ninj here.
Hello.
He's going to be my model today. I'm going to show you a treatment for anterior shoulder. So this will be good for anyone who's got some shoulder pain, maybe like something going on with their pecs as well. If they're struggling to bring their arm up into flexion, this will help to relax those muscles. So this one's really great, just moving really slow, which is like one of our principles here at MMT. And I'm also using my pisiform, which is this muscle, this bone right here. So I'm using that to push into the muscles, and I'm just moving slow so I can find exactly where the source of pain is. And I'm just going to make my way. Sometimes I'll even go all the way down to the elbow.
Just there.
How's it feeling?
Good spot. Yeah, it's therapeutic. Yeah, like you're saying, it's this slow is the key. Get in deep and you're effective.
Yeah.
So,
so you can even, like be moving your arm like how you just brought it out. You can do some internal, external rotation. I don't know if you're feeling that.
Yeah, I can really feel where you are right now. It's right in that bicep tendon. It's big tendon in there. So you can tell it's doing some good.
Yeah. So we've got the acromion process up here. So that is from the scapula. We've also got the bicipital groove in here, which is a little groove in the humerus on the medial side, and that's a really good attachment point for pec major, your lats, and also teres major. So a lot of people will be really sore in there. If you can feel that.
Yeah, you know your anatomy, you know.
Yeah, I've been learning.
You're studying it. Yeah. I'm not understanding what you're talking about. Little muscles that attach into the bone here, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all we need to know.
Yeah.
Yeah, they got different functions, haven't they,
Yes.
to allow us to have all these different movements. So it's amazing how much the shoulder can move. Big rotation and.
Yeah, well, it's interesting for people to know, like, because your lats are like on your back, but they actually insert here.
Near the front. Yeah.
So they allow your arm to do internal rotation. So if you've got some issues there, could be coming from your back muscle.
Yeah.
How weird is that?
That's cool. Good to know.
Yeah, so we could stop about here.
Yeah.
Start a new line. So we were about here. Now we're going to move in a little bit more.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, as soon as you hit that bicep tendon, it's really tender.
Yeah, so biceps has like two tendons, I guess, or two origins.
Yeah.
So one is just in here, above, like where your humerus connects into the scapula. The glenoid fossa, it's called.
Whoa. Fossa.
And then there's one on the, I think I might be wrong, on the coracoid process, which is somewhere under here, where my hand is.
Yeah. Wow, I can feel it.
Yeah, so I'm on your coracoid process right now, that bony bit.
Yeah.
Or going around it with my pisiform.
Yeah, that was awesome. It's effective. Ooh. Yeah, really good.
So yeah, we kind of go over pecs, deltoid is all of this muscle here, and now over biceps. Stop here. And do another line, coming in a bit more. How's that feeling there, Ninj?
It's not too bad on that one. But as soon as you hit a good spot, I know that it's
Yeah.
it's fixing me.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's cool.
So it's pretty bony area here, but this gets like all the origins and insertions of the muscles, so like the tendinous areas.
Yeah. They're the places that normally get
Yeah.
loaded up, because where it attaches onto the bone, and that's where the stress is and
Yeah.
tension is, and where we can have most benefit to the person, can't we? We can help them by hitting the areas that store the tension and the micro tearing and scarring and things.
Yeah.
So, that's good. When are we going to have another cook up?
Yeah.
Or we have to have one.
A raw vegan.
It's been a while. Yeah.
Or not cook up.
Yeah, it's a non-cook up. It's preparation, a blend and a juice and a grate
Yeah.
and yeah, slice and dice.
Yeah, what did we have last time? Oh, those pizzas. You
Yeah,
had
mate.
those.
The raw vegan pizza is pretty cool. I've got a Sedona dehydrator. It's one that's specifically for raw food people, so you can kind of set it so it won't fluctuate above 47 degrees, that magical number. So you can kind of set it so it won't go above like 45 or 43 or whatever, and takes a little bit longer to dry things out, but you're not going to destroy all the vitamins, the antioxidants and things like that, the enzymes that are critical for helping digestion and keeping the food alive. So yeah, we've got to do it and make it happen.
Yeah.
I'm excited. I'm excited about food in general at the moment.
Yeah.
I did a
Back to eating.
the 6-week cleanse. So yeah, I'm excited to chew and things like that again, where I didn't for a while. So, but yeah, I can get a bit too excited and I feel like you're a stuffed pig or something, because
your stomach would actually shrink.
It shrinks and it just gets painful when you overeat.
Yeah.
I suppose it does for people anyway, but it's sort of one of those things when you just eat raw food, you don't have those food comas that you have when you're eating cooked food.
Oh yeah, no, definitely.
Yeah.
You don't feel like bloated or
Yeah.
like you've overeaten or something.
Yeah.
You don't get those kind of sensations.
Yeah, it was a regular thing for me. And then it stopped. So yeah, it's interesting. You kind of you're satiated, because you're eating food that's nutritious and you just have enough.
Yeah.
You can't fit any more in, type of thing. But if you're eating lots of, roast veggies or pastas and things like that, you kind of doesn't have that same nutritional content, and so you can just keep on wanting to eat chips or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Processed food in general is a trap. You eat so much more calories than what your body needs and desires. So
How's that feeling through
good. Just trying to distract myself, from
Yeah.
a bit of that good
Give
nourishment
the
you're giving
move
me.
around. How's
Yeah.
that feeling?
Yeah, good. Yeah. I think bicep tendon, where I had my curry, is one of the most underrated areas of the body, and it can really change your life when you have it treated and you get that function back in your body, and and there's a mobilization effect too when you're pushing that shoulder down, because a lot of us, our postures are forward driving and cooking and computers and things, so and lots of bench presses without the pulls that people do. So yeah, this in here gets.
So you want to have your shoulders back.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody's got them rolled forward. We want them back. You want your ear in line with your shoulder.
That's it.
Make yourself a little double chin there. Perfect posture.
Yeah. Anyway,
Alright.
come and see Nina.
Yeah, come see me.
Get your shoulders fixed. Done.